Hello, I'm Uncle. The fastest rabbit in this whole forest. Or at least that's what I think. Today I'm going to challenge my best friend Lila to a race. And if I win, let's just say a delicious prize awaits me.
What a beautiful day to enjoy the sun.
Lila, good morning. Ready for something fun?
What's up? I'm just waking up.
What? Do you want a rabbit?
I challenge you to a race to the big tree. Do you want?
A race? Against you?
Come on, it will be fun, and see what you can win. Look, Lilac, if you win the race, all of this will be yours. Do you want juicy carrots and fresh leaves?
Oh, that sounds delicious. Okay, I accept the challenge.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Ha! This will be a piece of cake.
Sing victory so quickly, Bunny.
Hello? Oh, what a pretty little butterfly. There are these.
Look what I found.
It looks delicious.
And it's just for me.
Now we'll see who wins.
Yum yum! Now I will have a lot of energy to run.
Hello, squirrel. Na. Goodbye, squirrel.
You need help.
Nope. Queen.
It can't be. I lost.
Seems so, but we can share the prize.
I guess being fast isn't everything.
Exactly. The important thing is to have fun.
How delicious. This makes me glad I ran with you.
Exactly. It doesn't matter whether you win or lose. The important thing is to share together. How delicious is this? Yummy, yummy.
Until next time, my friends.
Yes, and with more adventures.